In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts to Yahoo Mail. Let's start at your web browser. Open any modern browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the very top of the window, type yahoo.com and press enter. Going directly to the address bar helps you land on the correct site right away instead of clicking through search results. On the Yahoo homepage, look toward the upper right corner and find the Sign In option. Click it and follow the on-screen prompts to access your account. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to verify your identity. Just complete what's shown on your screen. Give the page a moment to finish signing you in, and you'll know it's done when you see your account avatar or name appear in the top area. Once you're signed in, click Mail at the upper right to open Yahoo Mail. This will take you into your inbox. From here, we want to reach your contacts list. Look to the right side of the Mail interface for the Contacts option or icon and click it. This opens your address book where you can view and manage everyone you've saved. Find the contact you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have many entries. Click the contact's name to open their details. With the contact selected, locate the three-dot menu. This menu is usually near the top or alongside the contact's details, and it reveals additional actions. Click the three dots, then choose Delete from the list of options. If you see a confirmation prompt, that's normal. Yahoo just wants to make sure you intended to remove the contact. Confirm the deletion, and the contact will be removed from your address book. This change applies to your Yahoo account, so the contact won't appear the next time you look them up in Mail. A couple of helpful notes as you work. If the sign-in button or the mail link isn't visible, try refreshing the page or checking that you're on yahoo.com and not a regional page that looks slightly different. If contacts doesn't appear on the right, widen your browser window or look for a small contacts icon. And remember, deleting a contact won't remove existing emails from your inbox, it simply removes the saved contact entry. That's it. You've opened Yahoo, signed in, gone to Mail, opened contacts, selected the person you no longer need, and used the three-dot menu to delete them. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps for any other contacts you want to remove.